As we continue to monitor the data every single day, we're doing everything we can to bring down the number of COVID-19 cases and head off the worst case scenario. But as I've said before, this is a team effort. It's a Team Ontario effort. We need every single person, every single household, and every single business doing their part. For months, we've been promoting the public health guidelines, and most people are following them. But clearly, some are not. And that's where our provincial inspectors come in. To date, we've conducted education and enforcement blitz in 7 different public health regions. In fact, over the Thanksgiving weekend alone, we visited over 400 restaurants and bars, as well as 100 gyms and banquet halls. Most of those businesses were receptive to the visits because these inspections aren't just about enforcement. We're educating our business owners. We're coaching them on how best to protect their employees, customers, and the general public. And the good news is, the vast majority of the businesses we visited, they're following the rules. They're taking the situation seriously. So thank you to all the business owners out there who are doing their part to stop the spread of COVID-19. We're going to continue to support you while cracking down on the bad actors out there. That's why today we're launching another series of workplace health and safety and education and enforcement campaigns across the province. We're deploying 200 provincial offense officers from across several ministries to visit as many businesses as we can in hotspots across the province. These proactive inspections are a key tool to get to areas when they're in yellow and orange. These are critical preventative measures to help stop the spread and avoid these areas going to red. We'll ask each business that is required to have a COVID-19 safety plan to provide it to us in writing. And we'll work collaboratively with them to make sure they have the best plans in place to protect their customers and workers. Based on the latest medical advice and workplace health and safety information available, I also want to send a message to the rule breakers out there. My friends, we have to tighten things up. We can't accept anything less. And for any bad actors out there, to anyone who knowingly and deliberately breaks the rules, will not hesitate to fine you and shut you down. With the high numbers we're seeing in some places, we can't afford to have workplaces that are unsafe or host large gatherings or parties, because this virus spreads like wildfire. It hurts your customers, it hurts your workers, and it hurts your community. It's that simple. My friends, we're all in this together, and we all must be part of this solution. We have to avoid the worst case scenario at all costs, and I can assure you we are prepared to do whatever it takes to stop the spread of this virus before it takes a greater toll on our loved ones. Tomorrow, our government will release further public health restrictions based on the best medical advice. And as it's looking, these measures, they will have to be tough in the hardest hit areas. We're seeing concerning trends. Our hospital ICUs are in jeopardy. Our long-term care homes are at risk. We have some difficult but necessary decisions to make. But today, I'm asking the people of Ontario to listen, especially with the holidays quickly approaching. We can still head off the worst. We can still protect our hospitals and long-term care homes if we follow the public health measures. We can save countless lives, and that's worth everything in the world. Thank you, and God bless the people of Ontario.